So this is my helmet off Fallout. It's 3D printed, and this video is just going to show you the steps I went through to get this finished product. So the helmet from Fallout is going really well so far. I printed all of the main body pieces. I've given it about 2 goes with car body filler and sanding. There's still loads and loads of pieces to print for this because there's so much detail gone into this helmet. I got this file off Thingiverse and it was made by npriest04. I'll leave a link to the file down in the description. The 3D printer I'm using is the ANET A8. It can print about 0.08 of a mil layer height. At the moment I'm printing 0.1 mil layer height, and that seems to work really well for these prints. You can see on here that there's a slight overlap between this dial piece and the arm, so I can probably cut this down or sand it a little bit and it'll look great. Looks a little bit better already. Pretty sick. Yeah, still right. Haha, that one didn't go very well. This one's nice and clean, and I've trimmed away at all the loose plastic. So that's what I'm doing with all of these pieces at the minute. Wherever I can with these 3D prints, I try to use actual hardware instead of 3D printing everything. For example, with this Halo helmet, I've used actual screws in the chin instead of 3D printed screws. I think it just makes it look better overall. I've also used big black screws in the sides of the helmet, and that's better than just using 3D printed dents or details. All the 3D printed parts for the Fallout helmet are done now. This is what it looks like at the minute. It's starting to weigh a ton. I think I've used nearly 2 kilograms of plastic for this, which is 2 whole rolls. In the 3D file of the helmet, it says to 3D print the rivets. I think it's better to use actual rivets, so then they look like this.
Obviously, but it's just much easier, isn't it, to use? And then these just pop right off, nice and easy. I'll show you that again another day.
So there we go, the helmet's finished. I've added all the detail pieces and done some weathering on it. I think it's turned out absolutely great. I don't think I could have done it much better than this. I'm really happy with how all the detail pieces came out. These cables, I just think they look great, and I even added some details of my own. With this pipe under here, it's just a clear tube, and I've added water with red food dye in it. I'll finish the video with some close-up shots of the helmet. On the 6th of May, I'll be heading over to the NEC for Makers Central. Nick Zametti is going to be there, James Brutton's going to be there, and loads of other creators and YouTubers. So that'll be great meeting them. I'll probably do a video of it, so subscribe for that. And yeah, thanks for watching.